Hi, it's Ivars. Today, we're going to explore matching minigame mechanics and page switching. I will also be adding scripts to the GitHub repository. Please ensure that you assign the correct buttons in the inspector for the matching game script, as well as the appropriate pages or images for the cycle script. If we take a look at the cycle script, you'll notice that it includes an array of sound effects. You will hear these sound effects as you switch to the next page. Additionally, for the next and back buttons, make sure to add a click event. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.